In a world fixed on price, we're geared for performance. Dunham believes in accountability and fees based on performance. In 1985, Dunham was founded with the uncommon idea that fees paid by clients should be tied in some way to the performance of the investments they own. Since then, Dunham and Dunham Trust have grown to be a multi-billion-dollar firm, but we are still driven by the values of fairness and accountability that we envisioned decades ago. We hold ourselves to the highest standards and believe our clients should too. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can expect informative content on bear market strategies, overviews of financial topics, market news, and a whole lot more. Please subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest Dunham insights.